Hello guys, welcome back. We are still heading north on our way to the Douro River region, but for now we are going to visit a very peculiar village since part of it was built inside a military fortress built in the 17th century on its latest form. Lady Wolf knows this place, but I never been there, so this is going to be great.
Yes, this is one of those places that we always remember and want to return in a later date, so join us and let's go! Almeida is a fortified village and a municipality in the region of Beira Alta and the district of Guarda, Portugal.
Look at this, guys. The entrance is amazing. So this is the primary wall and gate, and then we have another inner wall with another gate and the mud pit that is dry at the moment, but it is possible to walk on it. Wow, here we are. Nice.
The town has a population of 1,300 people in 2011 and it's located in the Douro River Valley. The municipal holiday is July 2nd.
Village lies 7.2 kilometers west of the border with Spain and straddles the National 332 road. The Douro River runs northwards, a short distance to the west of the village. The town's castle fortress was completed in 1641 and is located to the north of the main village and is approached through two tunnel gates and dry moat named the Portas of São Francisco.
In and around the environment of Almeida, evidence of human occupation can be found back to the Bronze Age and Iron Age. It can also be found evidence of Roman occupation followed by the Suevi and the Visigoths. The first fortification constructed in the settlement were constructed by the Muslims who occupied the village until Christian reconquest of the Iberian Peninsula. It was during this time that the current name was first used in the form of the Arabic Almeida, meaning the plateau.
The village of Almeida was captured from the Moors by the second king of Portugal, Sancho I, in the 12th century because of its strategic position on the new country of Portugal border with Spain. So important to the security of the country, Sancho had the village heavily fortified. The castle was refortified on 3 further occasions by King Dinis, King Manuel I, and by King João VI. The present 12-pointed star fortification was constructed in 1641 to a Vaubanesque plan on which the French military engineer is believed to have personally worked during the castle's final stage of completion.
During the 7 Years' War, 1754 to 1763, which involved most of the great powers of Europe, Spain, with the help of France, launched an attack on Portugal due to its alliance with Great Britain. As a result of the invasion, Almeida was captured by Spain in 1762.
The fortress around the town guards an important cross-border road from Spain and underwent several sieges. The siege of 1810 during the Peninsular War ended spectacularly when the chance shell ignited the main gunpowder magazine, which exploded, killing 500 defenders and destroying most of the town. This is truly an amazing place, and I'm surprised with the impeccable state of repair of the fortress. Good job, local government.
Yep, that's true. Everything is so clean and tidy. Let's find a place for a break and a coffee.
Roger that. Maybe on the middle of the fortress we can find something. I bet today is going to be a very hot day for sure.
I'm already hot and it's not even afternoon.
I wonder if it will be cooler near the Douro River.
I doubt it due to all the humidity.
I bet we can find a river beach and go for a swim.
Oh, that would be great.
Yeah, I don't like to ride a motorcycle when it's too warm. I ride it right during the winter. It's funny when our friends say, "What a great day to ride a motorcycle, it's so hot." And I usually answer, "Yeah, you have to try to ride with 40 degrees and with all the cheer." It's terrible.
Exactly. As the weather gets warm, we start leaving the more protective gear at home in exchange to cooler gear.
Okay, so let's try to find a spot. Should be a coffee shop nearby. Over there to the right.
Aqui café, queres parar?
Yeah, nice place.
Mas... Queres mais alguma coisa? Virar ao contrário, ou mete aqui. Não, mas aí não vais conseguir levantar o descanso bem. Coisa aqui do meio para as cavadas é muito lisinho. Será queimado? Sim. Sim? Aqui mesmo. Gosta de diferenciar.
Thanks a lot for watching. Next episode we are going up a hill with a church and a statue of Christ, the Redeemer, much like the one in Lisbon. So, see you there.